So one of my ideas was the beach theme for the bedroom. Look at that. You can change out your curtains with beach towels. Isn't that cool? With bamboo. Easy to vacuum when you're dusting with the shop vac. For women. Little palm trees. And look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. And then some lights. I'm not done yet. I'm doing the ceiling with leaves. It's going to look cool. Bamboo. And then I wanted to show you with bamboo. Isn't that cool? You know, little sauna. Bamboo look. I added those to some old trailer lights. You know. I got to cover that up still. But I did that. Isn't that cool? I got to fix that one. OCD. But anyway, I wanted to show you this. I still got some paneling left. So, what I had left, if I can do it with one hand, is I'm going to line it up like this. To that part. And then up to this piece. And I'm going to use some of that type of glue. And not that kind of glue. Okay? But that kind of glue. Alright? And it's going to hold it up just right. So I went ahead and put the glue all up on it. And now I pushed up on the wall. I'm going to use the leaves to cover up what I missed. I need to slide it off the outlet. Hang on 1 second. Gotta have it right up against the outlet because I'm going to put something in between. I'm going to order some more paper at some point. And this will dry clear. So it's going to seal it in nice. You can even add water to your hand to smooth it. Look at that. And then look, it folds neatly right there. I like to use baskets to organize my health products. Look at that. Just rub it in good. Oh, that's going to be pretty. See? Just give you an example. Let me save the water. See? That's going to look good. Well, I better get to wiping and cleaning it up. And then right here I'm going to add some paper or leaves. And same with up there, some bamboo. I got plenty of bamboo. I might put bamboo here. I have bamboo sticks to set it off. To, you know, break it up. Eventually we'll get the mirror. Ooh, don't look at me. Eventually we'll get the mirror hooked up. So, it's going to look good.